Good morning and welcome. It's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. Now, this was a piece that I finished and absolutely loved it and hoped you did too, only to find my video was not recording. So, you never guess what I did. Oh, I scraped it all into the centre because I wanted to show you guys how I did it. So I'm trying to recreate that because I was so happy with it. I took loads of photos from it so I can definitely create prints, but I'm hoping that this one comes out very similar and that you enjoy it. Now, I have been losing my throat for the last week. I've had that horrible influenza A, but I will try and get through the best part of the video. I'm really hoping that you enjoy this process. And the second thing that it actually shows you, you can scrape a piece of art just like I did, retaining all your paint so none is wasted. Spread it around your canvas just like I'm doing, and then create a piece of art over it, which the finished piece I am absolutely over the moon with. Of course, I love the first piece even more than this one, but this one is super duper and I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with it. So there you go. It kind of added this caramel delight background, and then I'm going to do the different composition in the way that I layer the colours. So here I used champagne gold, then bleached titanium, which is that creamy colour. The first colour I laid down was my Berry Delicious. I've told you many times how I make that. Really deep red, add very deep blue, and a blob of black if you want it to go real dark cherryish. So that again is the Berry Delicious on top. And what I will do is I'm just whizzing over with the heat wand. It doesn't blow it around anywhere. It helps the paint absorb into the canvas and bursts any air bubbles. So next stage of it is to get my mini hairdryer and try and think about how I'm going to blow this out. Let's see how we go. OMG, I am loving that real deep Berry Delicious in there. It's even better than the first one. It's becoming beautiful. Of course, I have to add my signature technique, which is my balloon kisses, strategically placed. Now, I'm kissing that balloon into the canvas sort of lengthways, not from the bottom down, so it does create kind of a little bit of a different look. And I'm going to just, wherever I feel it needs it, giving it a balloon kiss. It really adds to the sort of romance of it all, I think. Those balloon kisses that I've got on the balloon, you could absolutely be re-kissing them onto another canvas, or you can be using cardstock and re-kissing onto cardstock to make really nice gift cards. So there's lots of ideas you can do there. Have shown how to do that in previous videos, but I guess I haven't done it lately, so maybe something that you might want to see. So yeah, I'm just merrily going along with that balloon, and I will now swap it for my little balloon, which is a normal size balloon that's just gone down. So I'm just doing some little more detail with my smaller balloon. Going to add some feathering effects onto that caramel background to sort of soften it all up so it doesn't look so scraped looking. I'm trying to pick up some of that nice berry delicious, so I get some of that in the background. And it does look absolutely lovely with those colours. I was shocked myself. It really turned out beautiful. So if you hang on till the end and see the finished piece, and also lots of people ask me the app that I use to, you know, look at the wall art hanging, the art that I produce hanging on a wall. It's called Picture Wall app, and I've got a link down below in the description box underneath all of my videos. So if you want to do the same with your own art. As you can see, look, those lovely feathery effects like fallen leaves. I just really love it. I'm using the paint also to kiss around the sides of that canvas to finish it off. I'm super duper pleased with that, so hang on to see the end product. Just wishing you all well. If anybody's suffering any sadness, loneliness or depression, don't forget there is always bring a family member or a friend, or if that's not available to you, there is a helpline all over the world. So my darlings, please take care and look after yourself. Now look how lovely that turned out. I'm super happy with it. I really hope you enjoy it. Until next time, bye for now.
Find my own